Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This one today we're going to show you how to take out broken bolt here in the housing. So this is like a 10mm, so the part is broken out. So we're going to just put on a 10. And just try to tighten it. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification button, and if I post any video, you get to see it first. See this video, and then we tighten. No, but first we're gonna put some heat on the ends. Heat the aluminum a little bit so it could expand, and then the heat right around. Make sure that heat properly is nice. Just a little heat, not much, just so that any particles could expand inside there. And then we're gonna put the nut on. And we're gonna tighten that nut. Okay guys, you tighten it, snug it up. Okay, and then I have the welding torch today. I'm gonna put a tack on that nut. See what I meant, guys? Alright guys, remember to always wear your safety glasses when you're doing any welding. So my gun is over there. I'm gonna see one minute. I'm gonna be tacking the end of the nut there. Alright guys, and let it cool. And let it cool a little bit, guys. Just let it cool a little bit and we get back to it, because we can't take it off now, it's too hot. Alright guys, as you can see, I just let it cool for like 10 minutes, and I just take your time. Back and forth. You don't want to go too deep and try and get it thing so now it start moving. You go back and forward, and then you could show a little bit of penetration while you're at it, guys. So that will keep it. You tighten, you loose, and then you loose, and there you go, guys. That's how you get out the broken bolt. Just like that. Alright. If you like, subscribe.